Okay, guys, example number 2 says a survey of a random sample of voters predicts that candidate A will receive 52% of the votes and candidate B will receive 48% of the votes. The margin of error is plus or minus 3%. So then the question for us is, can you predict who will win the election? Given this information, can we predict who's going to win this election? Gordy, what do you think? Gordy is saying that A is going to win the election. The question is, can we predict that? Austin? No, we can't. Not given this margin of error. Because think about this. If it can change by plus or minus 3%, this number could go down 3%, which would be 49%, and this number could go up 3%, which would be 51%, and candidate B could win. Because they're so close together, this is really too close to call, and you guys have probably seen that on election night coverage. It's too close to call right now on because of the margin of error. Now, let me say this. If the margin of error was plus or minus 1%, right, I would be able to call that one. Because the range is 2%, right, because it's plus 1 one side, plus minus 1 the other. But these two numbers are 4 apart. So even if they change 1%, they're not going to reach each other. This would go down to 51%, and this one could go up to 49%, and candidate A would still win. Okay? All right, good job, guys. See you at the next example.